In this video, I will show you how to turn sketches into images on OpenArt. To do this, go and open up OpenArt and head over to the Image tab right here. Then set it to Create Image. Then for the model, just choose the default one, usually that's fine. But then what you want to do is here go to Add Visual References and select an image, and then just upload the sketch that you have. For example, this one right here. And then for the prompt, just say turn this sketch into a realistic image. Then for the output, the input here is about 16 by 9. So I'm going to set the output to the same aspect ratio. So just pick the same one as your sketch image or the one that you want. And you can choose the resolution. For example, I'll do a 2K resolution. You can also have it create multiple outputs, but with a simpler prompt like this, where not much can go wrong, I recommend just doing one of them and then click generate. And right here, again, this is the original image, and now this is the image it has created. So very similar, and it has done a great job. But if you want to make any changes, you can just say edit image, for example, put it on a white background or whatever else you want to change. So now you know how to turn sketches into images on OpenArt. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.